At 9 o'clock on Sunday night in Washington, 1 p.m. Australian Eastern Time today, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, revealed that the Fed had been served on Friday with grand jury subpoenas threatening criminal indictments over his testimony to Congress about the renovations to the Fed's building. But he went on to say that this isn't about his testimony or the renovation.
This is about whether the Fed will be able to continue to set interest rates based on evidence and economic conditions, or whether instead monetary policy will be directed by political pressure or intimidation.
Now, President Trump pressuring Jerome Powell and the Fed to cut rates some more is nothing new, but sicking the Justice Department and a grand jury onto them takes the battle to a whole new level. The US dollar fell, of course, as punters wondered whether they should start anticipating rate cuts now. And the Australian dollar rose, although it's still a bit short of the 12-month high reached a week ago. Share market rose thanks to solid gains by retailers and banks, but falls by miners, even though metal prices had a good weekend, especially copper and nickel. And the US market went up on Friday, but it might be a different story tonight after today's dramatic news about the Federal Reserve. And finally, the Venezuela Stock Exchange Index has gone vertical since the President, Nicolas Maduro, and his wife were snatched in their bedroom by American soldiers. Share prices there have quadrupled in a week. But actually, there's only 30 listed companies and they're mostly state-owned, and they're only worth about $8 billion, apart from a family-controlled rum business. And that's finance.